Good evening. My name is Dr. Tanaka Suwan, and I'm the orchestra director here at Parsons. It is my pleasure to teach your fabulous children how to play various string instruments this school year. Our orchestra curriculum really focuses on maintaining a solid foundation where we really emphasize the importance on instrumental posture and position, strengthening their oral skills by singing and internalizing complex rhythms, and putting all these skills together to build their music fluency and ability to read music. So we hope that we will build a consistent practice routine and really make music a part of the daily lives of our orchestral students. Typically, we work with students in small and large group ensembles, and lessons are infused with different elements of music history and theory. We also try to cover an array of repertoire from classical to modern to different multicultural pieces. In Harrison, we align our orchestral curriculum, elementary, middle, and high schools, so that there's really that long term track for students to be in a positive and nurturing environment where they can make music. For this year, orchestral lessons will basically take place on A Pride, A Husky, all the way through F Day cycle. So essentially, lessons will take place every 6 days. For instance, on A and D days, B and E days, and F and C days. All lessons will be taking place live, but when students are at home. And they will also take place on the same day and same time each day. So I've set up Orchestra Google Classrooms. I've shared my Zoom link and sent out my lesson schedules. And I'll continue to send out informational emails so that there's constant open lines of communication. I also need to set up your child's instruments, so please encourage them to bring their instrument to school. And for lesson times, if you could help your child set up a nice quiet space and help them angle the camera so that I could see their entire body and instrument for their posture and position. I'm always here if you have any questions, and I really look forward to an amazing year filled with music making. Have an incredible evening.